Many people are asking me how to become a millionaire with crypto, and no one wants to do the work. Everyone wants to lay in their couch and make money just falling from the sky. I'm telling you right now, that is not gonna happen. You have to put in some work. But in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Bybit Copy Trading, where you copy other people, reputable traders and master traders, and if you follow their strategies automated, then you can make money passively over time. So I'm gonna show you step by step how to use copy trading and the pros and the cons with using copy trading. And of course, trading is full of risk, whether it's your trades or someone else's trades. Now, step number one is to go below this video and click my Bybit link, because this link will give you up to $30,000 in bonus. After you click the link, make sure to sign up and create your account, and then we can start trying out some copy trading. But let me show you how it's done. Alright, so many people believe that the only way to make money in trading is by learning how to trade and having extensive knowledge in mathematics, finance, technology. However, the reality is that there are some helpful tools available, and I would say that copy trading is a very interesting feature that is available on Bybit. Copy trading is a type of software that can make it way easier to trade crypto for those that are beginners in crypto, or actually people that maybe are just too lazy to trade, or this is just another way to hedge your own trading by using copy trading. So let's get into it here. So first of all, what is crypto copy trading? Copy trading is a trading strategy that uses automation to buy and sell crypto. It lets you copy another trader's methods and strategies. So this is called a master trader. So you don't need a lot of time or experience yourself. You basically are automatically going to be copying a master trader's trades in real time. Now, the whole concept of copy trading revolves around the idea of identifying a successful trader and copy their actions. Unlike regular trading, copy trading doesn't focus on identifying market trends or attempting complex trading strategies. Instead, the automated software simply looks at what another trader is doing and does the same thing. So for example, if another trader spends 5% of their money on a certain coin, the copy trader's software would spend 5% of their money on the same coin. Personally, I am a trader, so I know a lot about RSI, support resistance, breakouts, and all of these things. But as a beginner, you don't have to if you use copy trading basically. So instead, you can use this technology, the copy trading, and copy the experts and the big traders that know what to do, and basically copy their smart decisions. So even if you already understand the market yourself, copy trading could still be helpful because you can free up time because someone else is doing the trading for you. And honestly, copying expert traders could help you learn how to trade the market yourself. Now, before we go into the details, let me tell you one very important step. Go below this video and sign up with my Bybit link, because if you use my affiliate link, you will get $30,000 in bonus into your account. But to receive the full bonus, you need to make an initial deposit. Now, how to start copy trading? To start making a lot of money as a copy trader on Bybit, it is not so hard as it may seem, but after logging into your Bybit account, you just need to click on derivatives or tools, which can be found in the navigation bar, and navigate to the copy trading page. Then you will see a list of top master traders. These are divided by the top traders by ROI, or return on investment, which are the traders that have earned the highest return on their investment in the last 7 days. Traders with the highest profit for followers, meaning the traders that have earned the highest profits in USDT for followers, and the lowest drawdown traders, the traders with over 10% ROI and a maximum drawdown of less than 20% in the last 30 days, and the top intraday traders, traders with over 20% ROI and a win rate of more than 20% in the last 7 days. You also have a list of all the master traders where you can apply filters according to your preferences to choose the best master trader that fits your preferences. You can search by the ROI time frame, 7 days, or 30 days or 90 days by the master trader rank, cadet, bronze, silver, or gold, and the gold ones are the traders with the higher profits. You can filter by the master trader type, top traders by ROI, traders with the highest profit for followers, lowest drawdown traders, and top intraday traders. You can also search a trader by his country or by the master trader badge, and you can also check what are the available traders to copy their trades. Let's choose, for example, the data in the last 7 days. Below the filters, you can see a list of all the master traders available in the exchange, and there you can find the nickname, the 7-day return on investment. If you click on the 7-day ROI, you will see the master traders with the higher percentage gains, and if you click again, you will see the traders with higher percentage losses in the last 7 days. Next to it, you have the 7-day traders profit and loss, where if you click, you can see the master traders with the higher profits, and if you click again, the traders with the higher losses in the last 7 days. Then you have the traders with the most followers in the last 7 days. Next to it, the followers profits and loss, and you also have a percentage of the win rate and a stability index. After you choose the best master trader for you, on the right side you can start copying their trades. As you can see, many traders are already full, so you cannot copy their trades. The master traders that you can copy their trades are the ones that have the button copy available on their side. Let's choose this one, for example. Then you can see some details about the master trader, like the followers and total assets. After that, you just need to choose the amount of USDT that you want to trade and an amount for stop loss. Let's say that I put 200 USDT. Once the loss of the copy position exceeds $200, this will automatically stop copying this trader. Once it stopped copying the trader, the remaining positions will exit immediately at the current market price. Recently, Bybit launched a copy guard feature where the followers will wait to copy an order at an optimal price if needed, instead of only opening a trade at the same time as the master trader. But you can choose if you want to activate or not this feature. Personally, I am usually not using this feature when I'm doing copy trading. After this, if you click on more settings, you can also add a maximum position margin per contract. You can choose daily position limit, a stop loss ratio per order, take profit ratio per order. Below these options, you can choose the contracts that you want to be part of. Let's say you want to copy Bitcoin and Ethereum traders from the master trader. You can disable all the other contracts. Besides this, you can also choose leverage to multiply your gains, but don't forget that you can also lose more. So never use more than 10x unless you are a professional trader and you know what you're doing. So if you know what you're doing, if you are an advanced trader with a lot of success, you can also apply for being a master trader yourself with a quick and easy process. You just need to sign up for a copy trading sub account on Bybit. You can use my link in the description, and after that, when you have deposited at least 100 USDT into your account, you can start trading, building followers, and start earning a lot of money. Only those with at least 7 trades over the last 30 days and with a 60% win rate are qualified to become a master trader on Bybit. Now, let's get into the pros and the cons of copy trading on Bybit. Some advantages of copy trading include the following. You can use the metrics on copy trading sites to quickly identify traders with winning strategies. Copy trading lets you free up your time for other matters while the software does the work for you. You get to invest your money based on statistics instead of letting your emotions impact your trades. Copy traders are less likely to make mistakes due to panic or FOMO. Since you're following expert traders, you can make informed trades without having to do all the research and learn about crypto trading yourself. Copy trading lets you closely see what other investors are doing, so you get a lot of insight into how the crypto market works, so you're actually learning in the process. Using another investor's ideas make your portfolio more diverse. Instead of sticking to your strategies that you use, copy trading lets you try out other people's tactics. It's a great hedge to your own trading. So I wouldn't say you have to necessarily stop trading and use copy trading, but you can do both. It's a great hedge against each other. The last point here is that the fees associated with copy trading can be cheaper than paying an investor to manage your crypto trades for you. Alright, so here are the downsides of copy trading. Every decision doesn't have to be approved by you, so you lose a lot of control here. Your trades will only be as good as the trader you follow. Picking the wrong trader could cause you to lose a lot of money. Obviously, you can win a lot of money as well if you find the right trader, but you have to be aware of the risks here. Every trader has a different level of comfort with risk. You can encounter issues if you're using all of your savings to copy a trader who has a high risk tolerance and a lot of money to play with. So never invest too much into one trader. You may need to share a small percentage of your profits with the lead trader to compensate them for their work, which is not really a downside. It's just basically how this works. I mean, they have to make money somehow, and if you're making profits, you should be happy to give up some of that to the person making you make all this money. Alright, to sum this up, crypto copy trading can be an easy and effective way of making crypto trades and becoming a millionaire potentially. So that's what everyone wants to do, right? Everyone wants to become a millionaire, but no one wants to put in the work themselves. So that's why I made this video. I'm not telling you that you're gonna become a millionaire here, because honestly there's a lot of risk. You know, if you're trading yourself or if someone else is doing your trading, you're never gonna escape risk. But at least this is a passive way of potentially making money, and if you become a good researcher of master traders, then historically I've seen people make a lot of money on Bybit from copy trading, completely passive. So copying other more experienced traders lets you automate their trades, and you learn more about the market. So as long as you have time to research the traders carefully and follow the correct reputable traders, then you can actually make money. I think that is definitely the bottom line here. And you have to make sure that you use the link below this video to Bybit, because with my Bybit link you get a huge deposit bonus. This is only for you guys, but $30,000 into your Bybit account if you click my link below the video. Alright guys, I hope that you are able to make some money passively with Bybit Copy Trading. If you haven't seen the video popping up there, then I would suggest you go click it right now. And I'll see you there. Bye bye.